Isang siyensayang araw sa inyong lahat. Ako si Fortunato Boy de la Peña ng Department of Science and Technology o DOST. Welcome to Siyensikat, ang programang naglalayong sagutin ang anumang katanungan o hiling ng isang individual o grupo na may kinalaman sa science. Maraming mga wisher ang nagpadala ng kanilang mga tanong at gustong matutunan sa isang science expert o DOST idol. Sa episode na ito, matutunghayan natin kung papaano ang mga waste products ng ibang industriya ay magagamit ng ibang industry sa pagbuo ng makabago at makakalikasang mga teknolohiya at produkto. Ang lahat ng iyan dito sa Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat.
Ang kalikasan ang isa sa mga sektor na tila nahuhuli sa usapin ng pag-unlad. Ngunit may isang grupo ng mga mananaliksik na nadiskubre ang mga bagong paraan na sensitibo sa pangangailangan nito. Ako ang iyong co-host Diego Reyes at samahan niyo kami ngayon upang alamin ang siyensya sa likod ng teknolohiya ng green technology. Dito lang yan sa Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat.
Ako si Richard D. And I'm into retail construction supply. We usually provide sand, gravel, steel, and wood products to our consumers. So I'm very interested in looking at what green technology can provide for the business landscape. I'm pretty much excited to see what SPF can provide, firstly for the business, secondly for the environment, and third for the benefit of the consumers.
Hi, my name is Nelson Samonte. I'm the General Manager of Nuevochem Specialties Incorporated.
Hello, my name is Mutya Samonte. I'm the Regulatory and Technical Manager of Nuevochem Specialties Incorporated. We advocate green and sustainable products for the benefit not only of the industry but also of our society. Our partnership with the Department of Science and Technology focuses on innovating our current product lineup so that we can improve and introduce new technologies not only for what we currently have in our setup but also additional products that can possibly also provide additional revenue not only for the industry but also for the farmers who will benefit from supplying us with the required resources or byproducts that will be used for this project.
We are grateful that we are collaborating with the DOST in developing this project, and we would like to partner with them further for future developments.
Ngayon po makakasama po natin ang ating mga experts from Nuevochem na sina Ma'am Mutya and Sir Nelson Samonte. Makakasama rin po natin ang ating wisher para po magkaroon siya ng mga panibagong ideya tungkol sa panibagong teknolohiyang nabuo ng ating mga experts from MSU na green technology. So ma'am, sir, again, first and foremost po, paano nagsimula po yung partnership po ninyo with DOST?
It started out with Dr. Lub Guman. They contacted us for some raw materials that can be used for polyurethane foam. So we coordinated with him. Then we became interested since we are promoting green chemistry. Actually, I flew there to check on their requirements and how we can help and we can collaborate to develop this new product.
At kayo po ay nasa Siyensikat. Ngayon po makakasama po natin ang ating mga experts from Mindanao State University na si Dr. Luguban and Dr. Malaluan.
Yung green technology idea, bali po, I did my PhD po sa US, and when I came home as a balik scientist, I introduced this biomass liquefaction process po. In other words, pinaprocess po natin yung mga agricultural waste like rice straw para gawin pong polymer. So yun pong polymer is a big molecule na ginagamit po natin sa in industries as insulation. Ito po kasing mga agricultural waste natin, yung biomass, rice straw, na hindi na po ginagamit ng mga farmers. Usually, pinagtatapon na itong mga to. Ipaprocess natin to, ililiquify. Bali, gagawin natin in liquid form. So, it's a soon-to-be patented process. At yung makikreate po doon, mapoproduce po doon, yun yung gagamitin natin na raw material or reactant para po gawing insulation material.
So, tinawag namin yun na lignopol. Galing po yun sa rice straw. So, lignopol, yung chemical ngayon na na-produce galing sa rice straw, ang gagamitin para gawin natin siyang polyurethane foam.
Basically po, this is a project po towards green technology and creating environment-friendly and sustainable products. So, being this products po or services bago sa ating market, paano po yung magiging marketing natin dito? Paano po yung magiging approach?
The spray foam technology has been around for decades na rin in other countries. But here in Philippines, it started out a decade ago. It has been applied through spray foam contractors. This product has many benefits. One is insulation, also the benefit of waterproofing, and also sound insulation as well.
Now sir, can you please share with us po yung pong mga services or products na nabubuo niyo po with the research and development po na meron kayo with MSU, yung ating mga experts and DOS?
Yes. The typical application for this product is the sprayed foam polyurethane, or we call it SPF for short. So this product has many benefits. It can be used sa roof natin, can be used sa walls, even transportation. It's also used to insulate. So one of the benefit is that SPF applications are quick and non-disruptive, meaning to say it is quick drying and setting. So it also requires only few workers to do it. Other than the waterproofing effect niya, it improves the wind resistance of the roofing. Natatakpan yung mga seams, yung mga joints niya. Mahirap na siyang tangayin ng hangin. It can cover about 200 square meters per day. So using the spray foam machine.
Sir Richard, have you ever tried po yung application itong SPF in your business?
Actually, it's quite new to the market, and I think the rollout is business to business. So usually contractor yung nakaka-receive nung product, and then they are also the one who deploy it in their construction, because usually they have large construction requirements and mas complex yung applications nila as opposed to the retail where mas konti yung requirements and mas straightforward yung application. Otherwise, I think it has a lot of market potential.
At sa pagbabalik, mas mapag-uusapan pa po natin ang mga advantages ng paggamit ng bagong produkto at teknolohiyang ito. Lahat ng yan sa Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat. So, paano po nakatulong yun pong collaboration niyo po with MSU and DOSTv dun po sa mga challenges na kinakaharap niyo po?
So one of them is testing, product testing. Definitely the equipment are available at the MSU and at DOST. So all of the product testing are being done by MSU and at DOST. And then if there's any verification that we need to check based on our trial runs, we send them to DOST for proper verification and proper testing.
So, as of now po, dun po sa inyong collaboration or partnership, nasaan na po yung proyektong ito? Ano na po yung mga current status po?
We had our initial development na. We checked that the product will work with the current spray foam application. We are just fine-tuning those additional properties to make it better.
So, question lang po, yung drying time po niya, required po ba na sobrang init po nung panahon or kahit umaambon pwede siya?
First to answer yung how long, no? So given if all the weather conditions are okay, no? Like for example, you need to spray on 100 square meters. So it would take you about 3 days to finish. So that includes surface preparation of the roofing. Kailangan dyan lilinisin. Then you do the spray, let's say on the second day. On the third day, you can do the painting.
Ano nga po ba ang mga benefits po ng paggamit ng SPF?
Yeah, other than the improved wind resistance, no, it also acts as as soundproofing. No, once you apply this on top of the roof, yung sound ng rain, yung ulan, substantially will decrease. No, that's why it's being used for in coliseums, in churches. Then other than that, since SPF is also lightweight, so it carries less stress on the building. Since we are also advocates of green and sustainable chemistry, this product can last a lifetime, more than 50 years.
So sa costing naman, pinapag-aralan pa yan ngayon. But so far naman sa aming computation, yung aming economic analysis, competitive na po siya. So as much as we can, yung price ng petroleum-based na polyurethane foam should be competitive with our lignopole polyurethane foam. So yun ang aming target. But at the same time, sinabi namin, environment-friendly po ito na ngayon ay educated ng ating mamimili na gusto nila talaga yung produkto nila is environment-friendly. So even though they will add some cost, but this will take good care of the environment, they are willing to pay naman.
Nag-usapan natin kanina, the product with Sir Nelson of Nuevo Chem, ito po yun. We have this rigid insulation foam. This is not spray foam po, but this is molded. So ganito po ang mangyayari doon pag in-apply po natin sa roofing system. So up close po ito. So this is made from rice straw, lignopole po. And then we have another product here, which is the alternative to flexible foam. So para siyang memory foam po. Kung gaganunin po natin, babalik po yan siya. So this is from flexible foam from coconut oil. So yung polyol po na ginagamit natin is from coconut oil. So this is your flexible foam. And then we also have here another coconut oil-based product, which is your anti-corrosive paint. So ito po, itong area na to, this one is yung may rust na metal substrate. Tapos ito po yung in-applyan natin ngayon ng anti-corrosive paint na galing po sa coconut oil. This is one of our products po. So we have another here application of this insulation foam, which is your wall panel insulation. So makikita po natin, pwede din pong i-apply siya sa wall panel. So magiging sandwich panel po itong insulation foam na to from lignocellulosic foam or yung rice straw na polyol. So ito makikita natin dito, yun yung yung wall panel kung saan naka-sandwich po yung insulation foam po natin. Another one, this is the lignopole blend. ganito pong kulay nito. And then we also react this with isocyanate para po makagawa tayo ng insulation foam for roofing systems po. So far, yun po ang mga products natin for dito po sa lab na to. And we're looking at some more sustainable polymer-based products.
So, today aspiring naman po, no? Aspiring po na maging industry partner din po, no? Kagaya niyo po. Ano po yung pwede po ninyong maibigay na tips when it comes po una-una dun sa relationship, keeping a good relationship po with their experts or sa DOST? And ano po yung mga dapat po nilang tandaan?
Definitely transparency. We need to let DOST know where we are strong, and that is of course in terms of industry application, the practicality of this new technology on how to apply it. And then on the other hand, we need help in terms of technical verification of the specifications that we need for the product. So nandoon yung deep collaboration because we are transparent na, oh, this will not work, this will work. And then on the side of MSU and DOST, the specifications that need to be aligned and adjust dun nga sa industrial requirement natin.
So Sir Richard, hearing po lahat ng benefits ng nabibigyan ng SPF. Ano po inyong pwedeng ma-share? Learnings niyo po?
Speaking from a consumer side, we want to stop the waste from the production side pa lang. So we reduce the amount of waste by being eco-conscious and purchasing eco-friendly products, which is what Novochem advocates for.
At sa edisyon po ng Siyensikat ngayon, nakita po natin na sa tulong ng siyensya, teknolohiya at inobasyon, hindi lamang po nabibigyan ng oportunidad na umunlad ang mga komunidad, kung hindi, naiibsan din po ang pasan ng kalikasan. Ako yung co-host, Jego Reyes, at ito ang Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat.
Isa na namang makabuluhang pangarap ang natunghayan natin dito sa Siyensikat. Gamit ang siyensya, may magagawa tayo para tulungan ang isa't isa. Kaya kung ikaw ay may katanungan na tingin mo ay siyensya ang makakasagot, huwag ka nang mag-atubiling gumawa ng vlogs at i-post ito sa iyong social media accounts at lakipan ng #Siyensikat. Malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod na wisher na lalapitan ng aming DOST idols or science experts. Hanggang sa muli, ako si Secretary Fortunato Boy de la Peña mula sa DOST na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagsubaybay sa amin dito sa Siyensikat, Pinoy Popular Science para sa lahat.